How to fix cash. App won't let me receive money. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix Cash App won't let me receive money. Open the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. Here, there are various options and sections that you can use to access different parts of the app. From there, tap on the profile option that appears at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. On this page, you are in the Account and Settings profile section, where you can view your personal details, linked banks, and account security preferences. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list past Family and Promos and Invites, and tap Support. This option provides access to the Help Center, where you can browse troubleshooting guides or contact customer service directly to resolve any issues. Look down the Browse categories list past Account and Settings and tap Payments. This option provides helpful articles, guides, and troubleshooting steps related to sending or receiving money and managing your transaction history. After that, from the options that are here, the one we need today is this one here, named Receiving Payments. On this page, you are in the Payment Details Support section, where you can view your recent transaction history and find help options for specific payments. Scroll down to the bottom of the section under Contact Us and tap Chat. This option opens a direct message window with a customer support representative so you can get real-time assistance with your transaction or account questions. So, go ahead and chat with the support team and explain to them the issue you are facing. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix cash. App won't let me receive money.